Welcome to the daily message for this fourth Sunday of Advent. The gospel for today is one that we all know very, very well. It is the story of the Annunciation, when the angel Gabriel comes to Mary and announces that she is to be the mother of Jesus, that she is to be the mother of God. There are three parts of the message of the angel that I'd like to mention and focus on for just a minute or so. The first thing that the angel tells Mary is that she need not be afraid. And you can see those words if you look just next to the mouth of the angel in this depiction of the Annunciation by an artist named Jen Norton. So the angel tells Mary to not be afraid. And why should she not be afraid? The angel says, "The Lord is with you." And when Mary has hesitations about the mission that she's being called to fulfill, the angel tells her not to worry because, as she says, you have found favor with God. That message is not just a message in a gospel of a long time ago in a faraway, distant place. Those words are extremely important to our own faith as well. First part of that message is do not be afraid. Because of our faith in God, there is never a time when we need to be afraid. Why? Because, as the angel said to Mary, the Lord is with you. The Lord is with us, and that's something that we can believe in every moment of our lives. Third, we have found favor with God. God has blessed us in so many ways. And so on this feast of the fourth Sunday of Advent, the Annunciation is a message that not only is a message about Mary, it's a message to us as well. It's a message of hope. It's a message of faith. It's a message of confidence in our God. Thank you for watching. Have a safe, happy, healthy Sunday.